Okay, for number 7, they want you to construct triangle RAP, the median PM, and the angle bisector RB. Okay, so now in your book, they give you the length of AP, RA, and RP. I copied them to my paper here so you didn't have to see me going back and forth a lot. You do not need to do this step because you can literally just set your compass to your book. Okay, so I needed to do this just to make things a little easier for us to see. So first I'm going to construct this triangle RAP. I'm going to start with my longest side. You don't have to, but I'm going to just because it makes it the placement on the paper a little bit easier, and it's not as big of a surprise where everything's going to land. So I already have my compass set to RP. All right, so I'm going to copy that length down here. Okay, so here's RP. I'm going to label R and, oops, oh goodness, I'm out of control. R and P. Okay, now it doesn't matter which one I do next. I'm just going to do RA next. So I'm going to open my compass setting to go from R to A. Okay, there's R to A. Now this is RA, which means I need to put my point at R. So I'm going to put my point at R, and when I swing this arc, remember this represents all the different possible locations that A could be. Alright, so I just don't know where A is, but all those are the exact same radii. I just got to figure out where it is. Now I'm going to set my compass to go to PA. There we go. So again, here's P, here's P. So I need to put my point at P. I'm going to swing an arc. Again, that represents all the different places that A could be, but right here is the only place where A is exactly the same at the same time, right? So where RA and PA are the same. So that has to be point A right there. So I'm going to go ahead and draw in my original triangle here. Now I'm going to go over this with a pink pen just to make it stand out a little bit more. You don't have to do that. I just thought it might be easier for you guys to see on the video. Sorry, my son keeps yelling at me. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. Mom, hurry up. Mom, hurry up. Story of my life right now. Okay, so here is RAP. Okay, now they want us to now make median PM. So median goes from the midpoint to the opposite vertex. So PM has to go from P to the midpoint over here. So I need to find the perpendicular bisector of RA. So I need to open my compass more than halfway. Looks good. I'm going to go ahead and put my point on A and swing my semicircle. Do the same thing from R. Swing my semicircle. Okay, now remember, this just gives us the perpendicular bisector. So this right here is my midpoint. So this midpoint right here is actually M. So let me grab a different color. PM. Here is my median, and I did that in blue. Okay, now I need to do my angle bisector RB. Okay, so RB is going to come from R, right? So I'm going to rotate my paper and make it a little easier. So I'm going to open my compass to anything I want. I've got a lot going on in here, so I'm going to try to make this a little smaller. I'm going to go ahead and swing an arc. Okay, now I have 2 points of intersection. So put my compass on one of those points of intersection and swing an arc out here. And my point on the other point of intersection and swing an arc. Okay, X marks the spot. Let's see, I'll draw this one in blue as well. So really, RB, B could be anywhere on that line, but there it is. There is angle bisector RB.